Let's solve one sample problem on Church's equation. Question is, find the discharge of a trapezoidal channel of bed width 8 meter and side slope 1 horizontal to 3 vertical. The depth of flow of water is 2.4 meter. Bed slope of channel is 1 in 4000. Let me draw the cross section of this trapezoidal channel. Base width is 8 meter and depth of flow is 2.4 meter. So this is our free surface. Depth of flow D is equal to 2.4, B is equal to 8 meter and the slope is given as 3 vertical for 1 horizontal. Let me note down the data. So B is equal to 8 meter, depth of flow D is equal to 2.4 meter, the side slope is 1 horizontal to 3 vertical. Now we need wetted perimeter, we need area. To calculate area, I am going to split this trapezoidal into one rectangular portion and two triangular portion. So if this is B, then this must be B. So it is A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D, E and F. So AB is equal to EF, CE should be equal to FD. Okay. So how to calculate CE? So let me consider it as X. Okay. Now you can use cross multiplication, or I am going to use this theorem for horizontal value 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2.4, or you can use for 1 horizontal it is 3 vertical, for x horizontal it is 2.4. You can use any one method. So now x is equal to 2.4 by 3, which is 0.8 meter. That means this distance is 0.8 and this distance is 0.8. Now once we know all the dimension required, directly we can calculate area. So cross sectional area A is equal to the area of ABCD. So I am going to split this one into area of ABEF plus we have two equal size triangle. So I will consider one triangle multiplying with 2. 2 into ACE. So area of rectangular shape ABEF is equal to 8 into 2.4 plus 2 into area of triangle half into base 0.8 into depth 2.4 4. So substitution is 19.2 is area of rectangle shape plus 2 get cancelled, it is 1.92. So area is 21.12 meter square. So now we got the cross sectional area of this shape. Now what do we need? We need the wetted perimeter. So wetted perimeter in the sense the length of rigid boundary which is in contact with the water. So we have to calculate this length. So it is wetted perimeter. P is equal to length CABD. CABD. So to calculate this whole length, we should know what is CA, which is equal to DB. So CA, so here I am going to use Pythagoras theorem to calculate CA. So CA, which is equal to DB, CA is equal to square root of 0.8 square plus 2.4 square. 0.8 square plus 2.4 square. So CA is equal to 2.53 meter. So this distance is 2.53 meter and this distance is 2.53 meter. Now I will continue with wetted perimeter equation. P is equal to 2.53 CA, AB 8 meter plus BD which is 2.53. So wetted perimeter P is equal to 13.06 meter. Judge's constant C, if it is not given in the question, then take C as 50. Judge's constant, which is also indicator of smoothness in the channel, just assume it as 50. Otherwise, it will be given in the question. If it is missing in the question, then assume it as 50. What do we need? We need M, hydraulic mean depth. M is equal to A by P. So A is equal to 21.12 divided by 13.06, which is equal to 1.617 meter. Because discharge is asked, we can directly use Judge's discharge equation. Q is equal to A into V. V is a mean velocity, which is equal to A into velocity equation, Judge's velocity equation, C root M I. So just check the data. So we know A, we know C, right? M is also we got M value, and I, which is given in the question. So I is equal to 1 by 4,000. So Q is equal to A, which is 21.12 into C 50 into root of M is equal to 1.617 into, I will use the bracket, 1 by 4,000 for I. So here I am directly finding the value of discharge. If you want velocity, just use C root Mi equation. By that you can find velocity of the flow, which is nearly equal to 1 meter per second. So final answer, the discharge is 21.23 meter cube per second. So Q is equal to 21.23 meter cube per second. The velocity is nearly equal to 1 meter per second. So this is the solution for given problem.